Hello, good morning to everyone. Today's topic is choanal atresia. By the picture, you will clearly able to know that what is choanal atresia. It means either it may be the unilateral nasal block, otherwise the bilateral nasal block. So in this picture, you will able to know that what are the parts of the pharynx. This is the nasopharynx, oropharynx, and hypopharynx. So what is the purpose here? Why I am telling you regarding the parts of nasal pharynx? It means what? In this disease condition, there is the blockage occur between the nasal cavity to the nasopharynx. Means here the obstruction will occur. The path will obstructed here. The path which will connect to the nasopharynx to the nasal cavity, this will obstruct here. Moving towards next, in this picture you will clearly able to know that this is the normal condition of the nasal passage. So here the nasal cavity will clearly connected with the nasopharynx. In this disease condition, choanal atresia, the bone or the nasal tissue will block the connection or the path between the nasopharynx to the nasal cavity. So that this disease condition will occur. So here we have to know that what is the actual meaning of the choanal atresia. So choanal atresia means what? Obstruction in the nasal airway due to the overgrowth of nasal tissue or bone. So this disease condition particularly occurs in the neonate case or embryology case. So if you will consider about the gender, mostly it will seen in the female case. And if you will consider about the means ratio of the unilateral and bilateral, 60% cases are unilateral. So I hope you will clearly means you have some idea regarding the choanal atresia. If you have any doubts or if you have any queries, kindly ask me in the comment box. Thank you.